हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो आज के एपिसोड में हम डिस्कस करने वाले दो बड़ी जॉब अपडेट्स जो कि एनपीसीआई और कैरियर की तरफ से। सो गाइज वही हम डिस्कस करने वाले इस वीडियो में, जैसे कि सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, व्हाट विल बी द पैकेज, व्हाट विल द जॉब लोकेशंस, एवरीथिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन डिटेल फॉर इन दिस वीडियो. Okay guys, so if you are new on my channel, make sure you are subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any future job updates uh, from off campus drives. So yeah, make sure subscribe our channel. Okay guys, so let's see first job update, which is from NPCI. So guys, if you don't know about NPCI is a National Payment Corporation India. So it is a really good opportunity for 2070 to 2021 batch pass outs, and they are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee with experience from 0 to 2 years. Means if you are fresher, you are eligible to apply for the job. If you are having any work experience to 0 to 2 years, then you are definitely check out this job. And discussing about the package, it is a really good package. You will get a package about 4,75,000 to 5 lakhs per annum. After that, you have job locations like Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, and this is the official website of NPCI, and I am on NPCI career page, guys. So this is a job description for the job roles and responsibilities. Are you aspiring to work on emerging technology and proven digital payments platform? So as per the we are looking for a fresher in various emerging technologies at NPCI. So here they have mentioned they are hiring for freshers in various emerging technologies at NPCI. You may apply if you are smart, young innovator with digital first mindset, result oriented, go getter, do it yourself, self driven, can deal with dynamically changing ambiguous situations. After that, research mania, ability to evaluate pros and cons of every situation, ensures accountability. So you should have, if you are a smart young innovator with these some skills they have mentioned here. After that, the chosen ones will go through specialized training programs after joining NPCI. So if you are got selected, you will specialized training programs from NPCI after your joining. So here are some mandatory requirements. So education qualification BTech in computer science, electronics and communication and IT. Only these uh, graduates can apply for the job. And the pass out years from 2017 to 2021. So in eligibility of educational, in 10th you should have above 75 percentage, in 12th you should have, or in diploma you should have 65%, minimum 65%, and in BTech you should have minimum 60%, and in MTech you should have minimum 60% marks to be eligible for the job. After that, experience, you should have experience 0 to 2 years. Means if you are fresher, you are eligible for the job. After that, required skills, knowledge in OS, Linux, TCP/IP routing, switches, firewalls, ability to develop software, Java or Python is preferred. Knowledge of data models, Spark SQL, PySpark, Hive programming, good understanding about machine learning, deep learning, and NLP algorithms, understanding of blockchain fundamentals, smart contracts, develop POC, run pilot on selected blockchain platform, good understanding of containers, OpenShift, Kubernetes, cloud computing, virtualization. So yeah, these are the some skill set they have mentioned here. It is not mandatory you should have all the skill set. If you have any specific skill set from this list, you are eligible for the job role. And here they have specifically mentioned applicant must have good understanding of below skill set. Means you should have good knowledge of these skills like algorithms, Java or Python, machine learning, Linux operating system, and at least one of the blockchain frameworks such as Hyperledger, Fabric, R3 Corda, Ethereum. So yeah, you should have at least one blockchain framework knowledge, and the fundamentals of cloud computing and cloud infrastructure, mainly OpenStack. So yeah, these uh, skill set you should have to look forward for the job. And after that, 5 lakhs fixed, and TCTC 6.35 lakhs. Means your fixed salary will be 5 lakhs, and here they have also mentioned some key skills like Java, algorithms, Python, blockchain, fresher, open source, data analytics. So guys, I am suggesting you that if you are applying for the job, please customize your resume according to these key skills, so your resume will get shortlisted for the job role. So that you can attend this off campus drive, because if you don't have these key skills, minimum 3-4 key skills in your resume, there are higher chances to get rejected your resume while resume shortlisting process. So make sure include these key skills in your resume, so that your resume will get shortlisted for further processing. And after that, education, they have mentioned BTech in electronics, telecommunication, computers. Yeah, we have discussed this earlier. So here is a company profile. So National Payments Corporation of India is an umbrella organization for operating retail payments settlements systems in India. Is an initiative of Reserve Bank India and Indian Banks Association under the provision of Payment Settlement Systems Act 2007. So guys, you you have got idea what this company is all about. And NPCI has products like RuPay, debit, credit, prepaid card, UPI, Bhim, AEPS, other enabled payment services. So all these Indian digital uh, payment services are offered by this company. So this is a really good opportunity for the freshers of 2017 to 2021 batch pass outs. So make sure I apply for the job role. I have mentioned a link in the description, so you can go from that link and apply for the job. Okay guys, so this is the job update from NPCI. Hope you like this video. Please like video and share with your friends who are going to who are in search of job. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.